stay with Abby today? Are you gonna stay with Abby today? Stay with Abby today. Okay. Now let's see if we can get you to smile. Let's see if we can get you to smile. Amelia. Up here. Amelia. Say hello. What are you doing? I don't think she can see herself. I think she just, maybe, I don't know. Oh, birds. Birds. Okay. Now listen. I want to hear some smiles. You gonna do smiles? Nope. Nope. No smiles? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. She's got sweet little hair. Sweet little hair. Yeah. Yes. Oh, the fuss. The fuss. Too much moving. Okay, we'll stay up there.